let's make a cute miniature sofa. So make sure to get the right and complete materials. First, get a colored paper and cut 15 by 15 centimeters. Fold it into a triangle. Open the paper and fold again the other side. Alright, and then open. And then fold the other flap of the paper until the middle part only. Then open again and fold and fold. Now repeat the same process to the other side. So fold and fold and fold. And then fold again. Then undo the last step and hold the pointy end of the paper and fold it inwards. Then fold the opposite end too. Then open and fold again to the last mark and do the same to the other side and fold. And then undo, and then we fold it vertically again, and then hold and push and fold downwards. Hold and push and pull downwards. All right, and then get a paper again and cut it 14 and a half by 14 and a half centimeters. Basically, we repeat the same process from the first paper we made earlier. The only difference really is just the size of the paper with half a centimeter difference. So we fold and then fold and then fold again and fold. Then fold again and fold. And then undo and fold the pointy end and fold again. All right. Then do the same to the other end. And then fold and fold and hold and push and fold downwards. Fold downwards. After that, get the two papers and put it over the other like a box. So close it and set it aside for later. Now we cut 3 pieces of paper. So the measurements are on the screen. So first get the rectangle shape and put both ends together and slide it down the side of the paper box. And get the other rectangle paper and do the same thing. So slide it and there we go. Now we get the square shape paper and put both ends together and slide it down the longer part of the box. And there we go, a mini sofa. So for the pillows, cut a small rectangle paper and draw 2 curves each side of the paper and also at the back. All right, and then press down the curves. And then fold the paper, put glue at the edge and press it to the other side of the paper to close it. You can draw a face if you want to or anything you like. Get creative. So after drawing, open the hole of the paper and push the curved sides inward. Then, put a glue to close the pillow securely. Alright, so I made two pillows. You can also do two pillows. And there we have it. Our mini paper sofa is complete with cute pillows. Awesome job! Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!